Habitat. The place where the living things dwell is called their habitat. The sun is the biggest source of light and heat on the earth. Plants need light and heat to grow. There are many kinds of plants. We get fruit, vegetables, and grains from them. Some animals survive by eating these plants, whereas some animals prey upon the other animals and live on their flesh. For example, a deer, stag, eats plants and the lion eats the flesh of a deer. In addition to the vegetables and grains, the man also eats flesh of animals. Life is not possible on the earth without sun. If there were no sun, there would be no light and heat. Plants will not grow and animals will not be able to get food. Without plants, human beings and animals cannot survive. Plants grow only in sunlight.